Do you know how cities rise from the ground? Do you know how roads, bridges, and skylines take shape? Do you know how industries expand, connecting the world? Do you know how massive infrastructure stands strong for generations? We lay the groundwork for progress. We map the unseen, measure the uncharted, and build with precision. We turn data into insights that matters. We ensure precision, safety, and innovation in every survey. From vast landscapes to critical infrastructure, our data shapes the world. We are not just surveyors. We are the foundation of progress.